Columbia College is such a great place. I've been here for almost my whole career, and I wouldn't have done that if this wasn't a great place to be. From the very beginning, I felt like I belonged, like it was a big family. I enjoy working with the students and seeing those aha moments. Sometimes in class, we're going to do an experiential learning activity that maybe they haven't thought about, and seeing them work through that piece and then start to connect it with where they want to be and how it's fit in with everything they've learned to this point. That's the point I really appreciate.
I think I learned a lot from my business communications class with Professor Sappington because of his teaching style. He focused a lot on in-class activities and interacting with each other and bringing up real-world scenarios that can happen and how to work your way through them to practice for the future.
So my teaching style is very participative. I tell students on the first day of class I could stand up here and lecture, but that wouldn't be fun for either of us. So I ask a lot of questions. We do group work, we do activities. Some of the classes, you never know what's going to happen that day.
Brian always holds his lectures to a way that we understand. He'll go over the slides and then he will have a class discussion. I never left a class confused or felt like I didn't learn anything.
Our role is to get to know them, what their goals are, how we can help them achieve those goals, push their boundaries a little bit in ways that we see can be helpful, and just have really good, deep conversations and build that relationship with all of our students individually. I think I'm most proud of those relationships that we create with each of our students. When we have small class sizes, we know everybody and we know what their goals are. And so seeing a student have these dreams and take the steps to accomplish them, that's what I'm most proud of, that we're able to impact somebody in their journey.
So Brian was always there. He's always willing to explain things if someone does have a question. And the classroom is always so open that we never are scared to ask a question if we have them.
So we all have experience out in the real world, and we're able to bring that into our classrooms as well. So we want our students to learn the theoretical foundations, but we also want them to learn how can this actually be applied and why is it important.
He taught me how to effectively communicate with people in all sorts of type of scenarios in the workplace, outside the workplace, how to be formal and informal, and there's skills I learned that I know I'll keep forever.
Through my whole career, I can't imagine working in any field other than higher education, because these are students who are coming to us with hopes and dreams, and we're able to connect them along the way, and that's what it's all about.